Part 1 of 3. 7 questions on rack chunking. 15 seconds each. Pause if you want longer. Why is the chunk the most important unit in a rack system? Because the chunk is what gets retrieved, the document as a whole never reaches the model at all. So whatever didn't make it into the chunk that came back effectively doesn't exist. Your source material can be immaculate, perfectly written, exactly correct, and none of that matters if the chunking split the answer in half. What is the simplest chunking strategy? Fixed size, count characters, cut, repeat. It's trivial to implement and it runs instantly, and it is also completely blind to meaning. It'll cut a sentence in half, split a table from its header, or slice through the middle of a code block without hesitating. It's the baseline everything else improves on. What is chunk overlap and what does it buy you? Each chunk carries the tail of the one before it. So when an idea gets sliced by a boundary, and with fixed size chunking it constantly will, that idea still appears intact inside at least one chunk. You pay in duplicated text and a slightly larger index, and it's almost always worth it. 10 to 20% is the usual starting point. What does recursive character splitting do differently? It tries to cut at natural boundaries, in order of preference. Split on paragraph breaks first. Any piece still too big? Split that one on sentences. Still too big? Fall back to words. So it respects the structure the author gave you wherever possible, and only degrades to blind cutting when it has to. That's why it's the sensible default rather than fixed size. What is semantic chunking? Cutting where the meaning changes rather than where a counter ran out. You embed each sentence, walk through the document comparing neighbors, and when two consecutive sentences suddenly look unrelated, that's a topic shift, so cut there. The boundaries land where an author would have put them. It costs a full embedding pass over everything, which is the catch. Why can a very large chunk retrieve worse than a small one? Because one vector has to represent the entire chunk. Stuff 5 different topics in there and the embedding lands at the average of all 5, which is near none of them in particular. It becomes a weak match for every question and a strong match for none. Bigger chunks feel safer because they contain more, and that intuition is quietly backwards. Why can a very small chunk also retrieve badly? because it arrives without the context that gave it meaning. Picture a chunk that says it must be renewed within 30 days. That's a sharp, clean match for a question about renewal windows, and it's useless because what's it? The pronouns referent was to paragraphs up in a chunk you didn't retrieve. Perfect retrieval, worthless result. That's part 1. Part 2 picks up right where this left off. It's linked below, along with the full episode.